Good morning, students. In our last class, we have discussed the pre-modifier and post-modifier in the noun phrase. Students, in that class, I have already told you that most pre-modifier in the noun phrase are determiner. Today, let us discuss the use of determiner. Let us first know article determiner. You know, and students, that you have been studied the use of article from your class 4, that you know, and we also know it. Still, there is a promotion, something what new in this class, and also there will be something new in your higher classes. So you know, every study has a promotion. So in this class, let us know article as your determiner. So you know, article determiner your article. Article can be divided into two types. One is your definite article and the other is indefinite article. Indefinite article, indefinite article, your, a and an. You know, a is used when it sounds consonant sound. Suppose a book, a pen, a pencil, etc. And an is used when it sounds or gives some consonant, your vowel sounds. For example, an egg, an apple, an orange. Is it? And you see, this a and an article determiner is used before your countable nouns. Okay. Let us come to your definite article, that is the. You see, definite article, definite article, the. Students, I want to point out you one thing. Definite, literally, you mean something which has a definitive. Means there will be something specific. Suppose you see, I give you an example. This is a book. Whenever I say so, there is nothing specific reference about the book. But whenever I repeat this sentence and express that the book has nothing a cover page, the book which has no cover page, whenever I say so, there gives something specific reference. Means wherever, whenever, whichever there is something your specific reference, the is used. For example, you see water is life. Water is life. You see here the is not used. But give you an example. The water in this pot, the water in this pot is muddy. You see, whenever I say so, it denotes something specific reference. The water in the pot. That's why you simply know it. You simply understand it. Here it makes something specific reference. So that is why here the is used. Okay. Similarly, you conclude this idea when this definite article is used when there is something specific reference. Let us come to another determiner, that is your demonstrative. Students, I have already told you in the noun phrase class. First, I ask you, what is the literary meaning of demonstrate? Demonstrate. Demonstrate means to show. So, demonstrative determiner. Demonstrative determiner are these, that, these, those. These are your demonstrative determiners. Is it or not? So you see, I give you an example. This book has a fine cover page, or that book has no cover page. What I give you these two examples, this and that. These two determiners are used before singular countable noun. And what I mentioned, these and those, these two determiners are used before plural countable nouns. Is it? And let us come to another determiner, that is your numeral. This numeral determiner can be divided into two types. One is your ordinal determiner, and next is your cardinal determiner. Ordinal determiner, let us know what are the ordinal determiners. Your ordinal determiners are first, second, third, fourth, fifth, etc. are the ordinal determinants. Example, the first boy is my favorite student. Okay, so this is your ordinal determinant. Next, come to know your cardinal determinants. Cardinal determinants. Cardinal determinant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are your cardinal determinants. Students, in this class, you came to know 3 determinants. They are your article determiner and their classification and use, and this definite article the will be used in greater detail in further class. And next we came to demonstrative determiner. Next we came to numeral determiner. And in this class I told you these 3 determinants, and I have given you some questions based on definite and indefinite article, and questions are where to use this definite and indefinite article. I think this video clip will help you and you will try your best to answer them correctly. Thank you.